Hello everyone, this is Miklos. Today I'd like to show you a lot of 3 Swiss Army knives that I purchased in an online auction. The first one is a Spartan. It has broken scales, it had a broken main blade, the tip was broken so I had to reshape it a little bit. The small blade was in pretty good condition, but all the tools are bent so much that you cannot even close the knife properly. You can see that the can opener is bent, the bottle opener is bent, even the main blade is bent so much that if the small blade is open, then the main blade is in its way when I want to close it, so I have to push it aside to be able to close that. This was very dirty when I got it. I cleaned it, oiled it, sharpened it, and it's kind of usable now. The next one is a Sportsman. It's a smaller, it's an 84mm knife. This is in much better shape. I just had to clean it, and now it's pretty good. And the reason I purchased this lot was this knife. This is a Wenger Soldat from 1987. It has a bottle opener, which is interesting because it's the old design, but it has the newer glossy finish on it, whereas the can opener has the older style grind marks on them. The awl is okay too, it's not broken. But the main blade is. As you can see, it's from 1987 and the main blade is broken. But you can already see that I made a design how to make a sheep's foot blade out of it, as KnifeTex did to a knife, and I liked it quite a lot. So I decided to do this myself with this one. I will let you know how it works.
Alright, now I'm back with this Wenger Soldat knife from 1987. I worked a little bit on it using this Victorinox sharpener only, and as I planned, I made a nice sheep's foot blade out of it. I think it turned out pretty good. I also sharpened it, and now I'm gonna EDC it most probably. Thank you for watching.